The living room is often considered the heart of a home, a place where family and friends gather to relax, converse, and enjoy each other's company. Designing a living room can be a fun and exciting process, but it can also be overwhelming with so many styles, colors, and materials to choose from. The key to creating a living room that is both functional and stylish is to strike a balance between form and function. This means that every element in the room should have a purpose and contribute to the overall aesthetic. One important consideration in living room design is the furniture. The sofa is typically the centerpiece of the room and should be chosen carefully. Consider the size and shape of the room as well as the intended use of the space when selecting a sofa. It should be comfortable and inviting, but also practical and durable. In addition to the sofa, other furniture pieces such as accent chairs, coffee tables, and side tables can add style and functionality to the room. These pieces should be chosen with the same considerations in mind as the sofa. They should be comfortable and practical and complement the overall design aesthetic of the room. Color is another important consideration in living room design. The colors you choose will set the tone for the room and can affect the mood of those who spend time there. Neutral colors such as beige, gray, and white are popular choices for living rooms as they provide a timeless and versatile backdrop for a variety of design styles. Bold accent colors such as navy blue, emerald green, and burnt orange can add a pop of color and personality to the space. Lighting is also an important factor in living room design. A well-lit room can create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere, while poor lighting can make the room feel dull and uninviting. Consider using a variety of lighting sources, including overhead lighting, table lamps, and floor lamps, to create a warm and inviting ambience. Lastly, accessories and decor can add the finishing touches to a living room design. Wall art, throw pillows, and decorative objects such as vases and sculptures can add color, texture, and visual interest to the space. However, it's important not to overdo it with accessories as too many can make the room feel cluttered and overwhelming. In conclusion, designing a living room involves careful consideration of furniture, color, lighting, and accessories. By striking a balance between form and function, you can create a space that is both comfortable and stylish and that reflects your personal taste and style. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. If you know someone who may benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thank you again for your support.